All right, traders, to watch this video for Wednesday, July 10th. The SPY is kind of, after hitting all-time highs, about 4 sessions ago, it's kind of flagging, held up pretty nicely today after a gap down. Teamwork was great again today. Congrats to everyone in chat who did well. Here's what we are going to be watching tomorrow. YUMA, gave a couple ideas in this one today. Several people in here traded this. It ended up closing at 390 on pretty big volume. Obviously, it was a sympathy to CEI. So I want to watch this one again. I'll show you CEI. It's also on the list. I have to zoom in a little bit so you can see that better. Massive move today. 239 to 947 before settling in at 748. Lower in after hours than 748. It looks like it closed out after hours around $6, somewhere around there. But anyway, definitely want to watch this one again. Solo. Let me pan out a little bit. I like this view better going back. Okay. Really nice breakout today and a fairly strong close. So we're going to watch that one. OASM. I think this one trades on another exchange. So I don't love it. Like, it's an overseas stock, I think. Had the pop here, then an inside day and another inside day. But I'm just not a huge fan of it. I'm putting it on watch, but not in love with it. Looks like Sweden. Anyway. With that quiet inside day and closing at its highs, I'm going to watch it, but not in love with it. Dry Ships, nice breakout today out of this tight range and closed fairly strong, so we're going to watch that one. QTT is curling up, has formed a nice support base here, then tried to break out, had that little reversal, and then strong again today. For those of you that weren't in chat, check this one out. Buffalo posted this. There's his post was 460 seller, QTT. 465 high of day. So there's the 460 seller. You spotted the 460 seller on the tape. For some reason up here when I typed it out, I wrote Tapa instead of tape. But anyway, a great spot. So a big seller there with the earlier high of day above. Just what we teach, right? A potential catalyst just above and clean setup on the tape, right? 460. And I even added yesterday's high. I drew a line there because there's another potential catalyst, right? And it ended up getting through both of those. So anyway, great spot by Buffalo. Should probably be on your hot script list if he's not. It was a nice post. ORBC, still, there's 2 days in a row it stayed below 8 after this big pop 3 sessions ago. I still think it's interesting if it can push through 8 with volume. If for no other reason, the 200-day is right up here at 820 something. So I definitely think that could make a run to the 200-day. We're definitely going to watch that one. Let's see, Mara. Bitcoin's holding up fairly well. I still like MARA back above this kind of 1 week high, maybe through 3 with volume. But that's only if Bitcoin makes a move. I don't have it on a chart right now, but it was doing okay. It's at 12.5 or something like that. TIGR is, I don't know. The reason this is on watch is because if you look at it on 15-minute candles, let's see, I've got extended hours on there, which I don't want. All right. Anyway, see the nice volume pop this afternoon from like 5 to almost 550. I'm going to watch it. That might mean something, and it seems to have found support around $5. So I definitely want to watch it. Maybe it's going to make a run to 6 again. And the chart certainly looks interesting over 6, right? It's had resistance there. So anyway, I'm going to watch ticker. RWLK, after this big gap up here, had a reversal and just been bleeding quietly. But it's been sideways for, I don't know, 6, 7 sessions now, and today broke out of that range. So maybe a follow-through day tomorrow. KPTI goes back on bounce watch. You had the big move, then the gap up, and 3 red days, declining volume. I'm going to watch that one for a potential bounce tomorrow. MAXR has been a nice mover lately. You got a couple red days, with a little bit lower volume. So kind of retesting the... See how it had a resistance back here at 8 and again at 8 and then kind of stumbled at 8 and broke through? Well, you're kind of getting that 8 retest again. I'm sorry, that's 9, not 8. You get older, your eyes go. Anyway, so it's got that 9 retest today. Definitely worth watching tomorrow. And then lastly, VLRX, which the chart itself isn't so interesting, but it did have a reverse split. Reverse splits seem to be in favor after CEI just went nuts today. But in favor because, that's not why, this isn't on watch because it's a reverse split, but this helps, the fact that it was, because you see traders looking for recent reverse splits after CEI, and I think that's the only thing that got Yuma going, by the way. Anyway, having said that, and after hours, this almost went to $5 and closed out after hours around 452 on news of coverage from different healthcare plans or something. So look up the news, but it's got I think like a 4 or 5 million share float, recent reverse split, decent news, certainly one to watch tomorrow. All right, we will add some other gap plays in the morning and pre-market like we always do, and let's just keep working together and spotting them, and appreciate the teamwork, everyone. We'll see y'all in chat tomorrow.